Assalamu alaikum. It's an honor for me here to deliver some lines on the finality of prophethood, as the belief in the finality of prophethood is a foundation upon which the grand edifice of Islam is built. An attack on this belief is an attack on the oneness of Allah, an attack on the sanctity of the Prophet, an attack on the Quran and Hadith, and the attack on the honor of the Prophet's companions and the household. In short, an attack on this belief is an attack on the entire religion of Islam. This is why, for the defense of this great belief, the creator of the universe revealed more than 100 clear verses in the Holy Quran, and the Prophet stated more than 200 hadiths. Guarding the heart of Islam, the finality of prophethood, nearly 1,200 companions sacrificed their lives in the Battle of Yamama against the false claimant of prophethood. Musaylima al-Kazzab, the elderly eyes of the sky, are witness that whenever Allah has attacked the throne of the finality of prophethood in Islamic history, Allah has sent defenders of the finality of prophethood to crush them. When the plant sown by the British, born from the filthy soil of Qadian, appeared in the form of Mirza Qadiani and dared to sit on the throne of the finality of prophethood, the scholars of truth and intellectuals jumped into the field of action with all their energy to fight this temptation. They faced the temptation of Qadianism firmly and defeated it with their day and night efforts. Come, let us review a brief mention of some of these travelers of the highway of paradise, of the finality of prophethood, who are brave, courageous, literate, and intellectuals of Khatm-e-Nabuwwat. The names are Maulana Sayyid Khalil Ahmad Qadri, Maulana Shah Ahmad Noorani Siddiqui Rahmatullah alayh, Maulana Sayyid Muhammad Yusuf Banuri Rahmatullah alayh, Agha Shoresh Kashmiri Rahmatullah alayh, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan Rahmatullah alayh, Abdul Sattar Khan Niazi Rahmatullah alayh, Hazrat Qibla Mian Sher Muhammad Sharpuri Rahmatullah alayh, and the many more. Making a pledge that, inshallah, we will also work against the temptation of Qadianism by walking in their footsteps, and will draw the intercession of the Prophet towards ourselves. God willing, if you are faithful to Muhammad, then I am yours. This word is nothing, the tablet and the pen are yours. कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहां चीज है क्या, लोहो कलम तेरे हैं।